Absolutely. I noticed yesterday when looking in the mirror that I have these lines that have come up quite definitely in the last 2 days, and these lines represent natural teacher lines and also of life experiences. So I'm really proud of them because I've grown in the last couple of months, but especially in the last 2 days on my learnings and my teachings, and I've gained clarity and focus. So for these lines to show up so definitely, it really has confirmed and reiterated to me that these are really proud, maybe badges of honour, you could say.
You're owning that now.
I am
Whereas
owning that.
before
Well,
you didn't own that.
it's not that I didn't own it, I just didn't, they just weren't as defined. Like, you know, I saw them as just being laughter lines, or some people will call them crow's feet, right? So as a symbol of age and smiling. But once I understood what these lines actually represent and recent growth that's occurred, I'm like, this is amazing.